In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to edit and delete shift bid messages. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on TeamWork. Make sure you have your location selected. You do need to be in a location in order to work with bidding. Then choose Bidding. Select the shift bid whose messages you want to edit or delete. I'll choose this one. Then go to your new top menu bar and select Setup. From the drop-down menu, choose Messages. You should now arrive at your Shift Bid Messages page. As you can see, I currently have 2 messages. Maybe I want to edit the most recent one. So I'll click on Test 2. And now I'm taken to the settings for this message. I can change the title. Maybe I'll just say title to put something different there. And I can change the text. So I'll select this and just put something else. I can also choose whether or not I want this message to be visible. Maybe I'm not ready for my employees to view this message yet, so I will uncheck that box. If you changed your mind and you don't want to keep these changes, click Close. I do, so I'm going to choose Save. Then I will select Close, and now those changes have been saved. Notice that the title is different, the text is different, and the message now has an orange hidden button underneath it, letting me know that no one can view that message. Maybe I'm now ready for my employees to view this message. I can click on that title again, make it visible, and choose Save. Then, to send this message to your employees, select the Broadcast tab and choose Broadcast. Now this updated message has been emailed to any employee assigned to this shift bid with a valid email address. That's how you can edit and resend a shift bid message. Let's say I changed my mind and I don't want this message at all. Then I can choose Delete. TeamWork 5 is going to make sure you do want to delete this message. If you don't, click Cancel. I do, so I will choose OK. And now that message has been deleted. That's how you can edit and delete shift bid messages in TeamWork 5. Check out the next video to learn how to view your shift bid status.